Just look at this candle, guys. Within a month, it has grown from a bottom to the top, a growth of over 550% within a month, guys. Within a month, this is the project you should not miss. I want you to breathe in and breathe out and then look at this price chart. What do you see? At first, it may look like a meme coin which is dumped, then pumped again, and then maybe ready to dump. But in actuality, it is a project that can challenge Filecoin, Coin, and even Arweave network. The project that I'm going to talk about today is IAGON and its native token IAG. So welcome to Katos Tubes, I'm your host Paras, and in today's video I will decode IAGON and IAG token and talk about what is special about this project and why you need to pay attention. This is another hidden crypto gem that I'm going to cover today, like every token that I covered previously that has minted people money in the past. So before I start, remember to press the subscribe button and remember to press the bell icon to receive daily crypto videos where I share crypto nuggets like this. And if you are following the crypto markets and needed help in identifying the true token which can really mint you money and be part of the crypto pumps, do subscribe to our Telegram community. The link is shared in the description of the video. Join it and meet the like-minded people like you and make money together. So let's talk about IAGON Crypto. This project is now trading at a price of, you can see right over here, 0.035, and it's up 24% in the last 24 hours. That made me think, what is so special about this project? Also, if you look at the Twitter handle, it is trending everywhere. Everyone is talking about this project, and the special part is it is being sold, but suddenly it again got bought and is rising up in value. So what is so special about IAGON? Let's talk about its white paper and discuss it. So IAGON was a project that was founded in the year 2017 in Norway, which means it is a Norwegian project which is founded by people who are looking for a solution in the decentralized storage space and also in the cloud computing part. Now, what it does will surprise you. Its introduction states that IAGON aims to build a marketplace for decentralized storage and computing resources, which means it can challenge the likes of Filecoin, Coin, and Arweave network, which also deals in the storage space. Now, IAGON aims to build a marketplace of storage space, which means if you are having a storage space, you can provide to other people, to the clients in a decentralized manner and earn IAG token in return. Again, IAGON aims to carry out computational processes in a secure and user-friendly manner. So they are not just limiting themselves to being just a storage marketplace, but also being in a place where they can provide computation power to the user by using decentralized protocol. Now again, the problem that it is addressing is right over here. You can go through the white paper, but let me give you a brief. They are targeting security, data privacy and compliance, centralization, monetization of data without consent or reward, and cost, which means they totally want users to switch from web 2 to web 3 and solve the issue of centralization of data and also able to control your data at minimum cost by storing it in decentralized storage spaces like your hard drive, my hard drive, and any other hard drive available which can be connected to the network and be able to mint money, the IG token, and side by side help the clients store data and make them control their data rather than storing them on Google Drive or maybe Facebook, where the companies use the data to market products to you and sell your data to maybe politicians and other entities which can force you to do certain type of action. So this is a pure secure protocol that aims to save your data for you in a decentralized manner. Now, what about the IAG token? So this is IAG token, the native token of IAGON protocol used for staking towards device connection and to earn dividends. So it may sound like Filecoin network, which I covered recently. You can click on the link above or in the description to read about Filecoin. I have also talked about Filecoin in detail, so I will also share the link of the post where I have covered Filecoin in detail, which is again a very interesting protocol. Consists of IPFS protocol, which is interplanetary file system. Now the thing is, IAG was earlier an ERC20 token, which then migrated to Cardano blockchain because of Nomad bridge hack. So that's another story. In 2022, in August, after the hack, they have decided to switch completely to the Cardano chain, and this is the token contract on the Cardano scan. You can see the total supply of the token is 1 billion tokens, and it is quite active. You can see the transaction right over here, 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. So this is trading quite successfully on decentralized exchanges, and the best part of it is you can purchase it on gate.io, Bitrue, MinSwap, and Wing Riders. So these are all the DEXs and centralized exchanges where you can purchase this token. Now talking about the tokenomics, let me quickly take you through the tokenomics which is given right over here. So this is the tokenomics, and they have also a list of products which I will cover quickly. So this is tokenomics. Let me show you. Yes. So this is the policy ID, 1 billion token supply. I told you fund has raised $3.6 million. They have raised in the past, and all the breakup you can see: ecosystem, development fund, community incentives, 250 million IAG token, development funds, marketing and advisory. So every breakup is given quite clearly, like a crystal clear. So which means this project is not here just to pump and dump. It is here for the long haul, and now trading at its lowest value, which means you can get in and mint money during the bull run. Of course, nothing here is financial advice. Whatever I share is just for knowledge purpose, so you have to do your due diligence and research before investing in any token. I'm here to present you the projects which can mint you money in the short term and long term at the given price point. So IAG is that token which can really help you make money in the long run. And if you're looking for an alternative Filecoin, maybe Arweave or maybe Filecoin, this can be the one that you should try for. Also, if you're a Cardano lover, you should also take a look at IAGON. So go check out its website. The technology, the products are awesome. They are building state-of-the-art products that can actually revolutionize the decentralized storage market. So that's about the product. You can check the roadmap right over here. They are doing a wonderful job, and again solving the age-old question of decentralized storage and decentralized computations. So that's about the video. Of course, the price prediction is definitely, I will predict close to 50 cents in the near bull run, because last time it went an all-time high of 14 cents. And if you can see at the chart and turn it to a, let's say, monthly chart, which is right over here, you can see the change in price action. Just look at the recent pump, how the token pumped within a month after switching to Cardano blockchain completely. Guys, this is that project that you can consider to invest for a long term. Just look at this candle. Within a month, it reached a high of close to, you can say, 0.12 Cardanos, or you can say close to 500% growth within a month, which means if you have invested in the last month in this token at an adequate amount, you must have been a millionaire by now. So that's the power of IAG token. So that's about the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Do watch the video shared on the screen, and do remember to subscribe to my channel and join the Telegram community, because I share such crypto nuggets every single day for you that can make you money. So that's about the video. Remember, you will get rich, you will make money, and you will make big profits. Thank you.